The first and most basic method of signing a document in SignSure is with the SignQuick feature. This feature allows you to open documents from the document library and place signatures, the current date, text, and check marks on that document. You're also able to open a document from an email to use in the SignQuick feature. To open a document from your document library for signing using the SignQuick feature, simply press the SignQuick button on the home page. You're then directed into your document library where you can either select a saved document or download a new document from either your Google Plus or Dropbox Cloud account. To download a document from your cloud account, simply press the Add button in the top right corner of the document library page and select the cloud account you wish to download that document from. Notice that while you're in the document library, you can edit your files by pressing the Edit button in the upper right corner of the page. After pressing the Edit button, you're prompted to select the document you would like to edit. Once a document is selected, you're given the option of either deleting that file or renaming that file. If you're deleting, you're permitted to select as many files as you would like before pressing the Delete button. To continue using the SignQuick feature, select the document you wish to sign and the document will open to the signature process page. Along the top of the page, on the left side, you will see an arrow allowing you to return to the document library to select a new document. In the middle is the title of the document you've selected, and on the top right side of the page is the page number scrolling button. When you press the page number, the scrolling device opens, allowing you to quickly scan through pages in larger documents. On the bottom of the page is the signature processing box. On the top middle of this section, there's a button to hide this box, which allows you to review the entire page of your document. Press Show to reopen the box. There are 4 buttons in the signature processing box that allow you to select the type of information you wish to insert in your document. When you press the Add Signature button, a signature box appears on the page. You can locate the box by dragging your finger on the page. You can also move between pages when locating the box by either pressing the scrolling arrows on either side of the page or by pressing the page number scrolling button in the top right corner of the page. You can also size the signature box by pressing the button located just outside the top right corner of the box. Since the box sizing tool is located on the top right side of the box, it's always best to first locate the bottom left corner of the box in its final position and then use the sizing tool to fit the box in the desired area. To delete the box, simply press the button containing the X outside the top left corner of the box. Once the box is located and sized, press Finished Placing Signature at the very bottom of the page, and the signature entry box will open up in the bottom half of the page. Using your finger, enter your signature inside the box. To change the color of your signature to either blue or black, simply press the blue or black button in the upper right corner of the signature entry box. Once you've finished entering your signature, press the Submit Signature button at the bottom of the signature entry box, and your signature is placed inside the box you located on your document. Use the same process to locate the current date, text, and checkmark input boxes. When you finish placing these boxes, press Done at the bottom of the page to finalize your document. After finalizing the document, it will show up in the Completed Activity category of the document management system on your home page. Pressing the line associated with this document will take you to the document record page. In the top left corner of the page is the timestamp associated with the completion of the signing process. You can view the document by pressing the View Document button in the lower right portion of the screen. On the left end of the bottom section of the screen is a button used to further sort document files on the home screen by placing them into folders. Folders are a premium feature in SignSure and are only available with a SignSure Premium subscription. Simply press the Add to Folder button and either select an existing folder or press New to create a new folder. On the home screen, folders are located below the completed activity category. Simply press a folder line to open the folder and display the files it contains. Back to the bottom of the document record page. In the middle of the bottom section of the page is a button that attaches the PDF file containing the document to an email. When you press this button, a new email opens up with the PDF file attached that contains your document. The name of the document is entered in the subject line, so all you need to do is enter the recipient's email in the To line, type any message you wish to add in the body of the email, and press Send. When you locate the cursor in the To line, your device keyboard appears at the bottom of the screen. You can either type in the recipient's email address or press the plus sign on the right end of this line to choose recipients from your contacts list. On the right side of the bottom section of the document record page is the button used to print the document. When you press this button, the Apple AirPrint window opens, where you simply select the printer you wish to use and the number of copies, and press Print. If you wish to sign a document received in an email, simply open the email that contains the document attachment. Press and hold the image or PDF file attachment, and the Apple Share window will appear. Select SignSure from the applications listed in the window. When SignSure opens, a window will appear asking you how you would like to use the document. You can either use the SignQuick feature to sign the document in person, you can use it to send a request to someone else, or you can save the document in your document library for later use. When you choose to open an email attachment using SignQuick or to send in a request to someone else, a copy of the document is automatically placed in your document library for later use. This ends the overview of the SignQuick feature. Please continue watching the tutorial videos to fully understand the tools available in this application. The next video begins the series on how to prepare and send a document to one or more recipients for their signature.